How to log in to Craigslist account. So if you want to log in to Craigslist account, then first of all open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and now on the search bar you have to search for Craigslist, and after searching you can click on the first search which says www.craigslist.org. And now to sign into your account or to log into your account, first you have to click on My Account, which is on the upper left corner. And now here you will have this page. So to create an account, you can go to the bottom side of the page, and to log in or to sign in, you can go to the upper side of the page. So to log in, first you have to enter your email, and after entering your email address, you have to enter your password. But if you forgot your password, then you will have forgot password option. You can simply click on forgot password, and then you can reset or recover your password. But if you remember your password, then simply enter your password and email address and then click on login. And that's it. That's how you log into your Craigslist account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.